This is Linda Hacker, the Metro Center librarian. When you are on a campus computer, the first page that appears is the LITS web page, with LITS standing for Library Information and Technology Services. To get to the library page, just click on Library Home. Should you be on another campus page, you can easily get to the library by using the Quick Links tab that is located in the upper right part of every Brockport page. Let's click on the library home page. To reach me by phone, just call 585-395-2770. By email at lhacker@brockport.edu. And I'm also available through the Ask a Librarian link on the left column of the library page. Now let's begin to look for articles. Click on the Articles link on the left-hand side of the web page. You'll note that there are 5 databases on the right. These are our most popular ones. To get to the rest of the databases, you would click on Databases A to Z. Now let's click back. I'm going to click on Academic Search Complete. This is a very large article database and covers many topics. For my first search, I'm going to type in child welfare. And click on search. Notice that we got a lot of results. Now we are only looking for that phrase. Have you noticed when you use Google that if you were to put in child welfare, that the results on the first page would have given you child welfare, but after that you get child in one location and welfare in another? Well, the same thing is happening here. To remedy that, let's use quotation marks around child welfare. This search will only look for the phrase child welfare, and you will notice the results when I click on search have dramatically narrowed. You can also use this technique in Google. To the left are some limiters that are important to consider. The first is to click scholarly peer-reviewed journals. These are articles in journals that have been approved by a panel of experts in the field in question. Secondly, you need to know your date range. Many instructors request a 5 or 10-year range. For this exercise, I will use a 10-year range. After selecting peer review and the date range, hit enter. Okay, we still have a large number, so let's add another word to our phrase. Let's add the word services. And click on search. As you scroll down, you'll see many of the articles are from other countries. If you wish to narrow your search just to the United States, just put United States in the second search box. As you can see, when I scroll down, the fourth article is full text. Let's click on the title and see what other information we can gain. Notice we are given additional subject terms by the database and by the author. These can be very helpful, especially when you are having difficulty finding articles about your topic. Also notice there is an abstract, which is a brief summary of the article. Just reading through these will give you an idea as to whether you want to look at the full text. Another thing I want you to note are the options to the right. You can save the article, you can email the article to yourself or to your group, you can print your article, but one of the best features is the site link. Let's click there. Here's your APA citation that you can copy and paste to your reference page of your paper. So let's X out of the citation portion. So let's click back to the search page and take a look at the other articles. Let's look at the first article. It has a yellow search box, search for full text. We have all of our databases hooked together, so if this article isn't full text in this database, it does not mean we don't have that article full text in another database. Let's click and see what happens. And we get full text. We get it in another database that we own called ScienceDirect. And from here you can just download your PDF. You can save it to your flash drive, to File City, or to your own computer. Let's click on the first tab. Let me show you an example of when the article is not immediately available, either in this database or in any of the other databases that we own. I'm going to scroll down and go to the third page. I just happen to know that article number 27 is not going to be full text. Notice we do have the year 1984 in hard copy in the library. You can also check Google Scholar and Google to see if it's full text. And another way to get the article is through the Office of Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a service where the library can get articles and books that Brockport doesn't own from other libraries at no cost to you. So click on the Interlibrary Loan link. Here we'll put our NetID and password in. And click on Log On to ILLiad. Notice how the fields are filled in for you. All you have to do now is just submit your request. If this is the first time using Brockport's Interlibrary Loan, then your profile page will appear. Just fill in the boxes using whatever email you would like. For delivery location, just put Metro Center for now. Articles usually take 1 working day to be emailed to you. Now let's log off of Interlibrary Loan, go back to our search results, and you can continue